My name is Harlem Milyado. I'm the owner of Cleantrix Deep Cleaning Services. Well, we started 2020. Well, technically, ano kasi yun eh. Yun yung time na nawalan ako ng mga clients offshore. So, I tried to build something that I could actually call my own. Initially, dapat mga home service vehicle interior and exterior detailing. However, habang tumitingin online, nakita ko yung potential habang bumibili ng mga gamit. Nakita ko yung potential na bakit parang sa car industry lang. Kaya ayun, napunta sa sa mga sofas, carpets, mattresses, office cleaning, deep cleaning, general cleaning ng mga houses. So, yun, that's the summary of like the history of Cleantrix. Wala talaga kaming specific shop kasi we try and cater everyone as much as we could. So, majority talaga home service yung mga cleaning namin. Just in case, like for example, vehicle yung ipapalinis and wala silang garahe na maayos, pwede nilang dalhin dito sa personal house ko, dito sa may Cainta Green Park Village, para magawa rin namin yung services sa kanila. Well, secret to keep the business running for 5 years, siguro mag-focus ka lang sa mga goals mo. Then kailangan marunong ka makisama sa mga tao mo. I never treat my employees as just employees. I treat them as friends, family. Pero syempre, there would still be limitations naman na kailangan nating ilagay. But ayun, siguro sa tingin ko yun yung key is clear understanding ng goals ng bawat isang team member. Ano pa ba? Ayun, mag-focus lang, try to get as much customer as you could. Kasi I established naman the business not just for me to succeed, pero for me to be able to help other people too. Ang tip na mabibigay ko sa mga taong gustong pumasok sa ganitong business is lakasan nyo lang yung loob ninyo. Huwag kayong mag-isip ng anything negative. Kasi firm believer ako na kung ano yung iniisip mo, yun yung mangyayari. So, yan. Business would be up and down. There would be trials. Pero, dyan mo magigets mo rin through time kung paano mo mamamanage yung mga bagay-bagay. Huwag ka lang mag-give up on your dream. And yun, magtiwala ka lang sa nasa taas. Mangyayari naman lahat. Well, itong vehicle ko ngayon is Honda CR-V Gen 1. 2001 model, X-plate. So, siya yung last na nilabas ng CR-V na version. So, ang setup na try namin dito would be, Performa, straight Performa. So, yung interior, naka-straight Performa seats, sidings, gauges, and everything. Yung common na fender with side mirror para dun sa JDM feel. Bumper, Performa, front and rear. Suspension would be BC coilovers, hard race camber kits. Then yung mga sway bars and supports would be ultra racing. RB1 17s pang bansang mags ng mga CR-V. Well, rarest or most expensive part siguro would be the Performa gauge, yung yellow gauge, tsaka yung Iceman Gen 2 ko na nakakabit sa kanya at the moment. Well, dito sa yung mga inad man or improvement, yes, nabili ko siya as is. Most probably, ang only modification na ginawa ko dito was yung fender with side mirror, pinalitan ko yung intake tube ng Iceman Gen 2. Nilagyan ko ng cam gear. Yun pa lang. Tapos basic PMS. Bakit CR-V Gen 1? That would be a bit hard to answer. Kasi technically, ang plano ko talaga was to buy a Subaru na SUV. Kaya lang, merong something na parang, syempre, unfamiliar ka with Subaru. Hindi mo alam yung mga parts. So, ayun, I opted to still buy a CR-V. Kasi, kaya talaga binili ko siya in replacement do sa race car ko before. Tatlo na kasi yung anak ko, so gusto ko nang bigyan sila ng medyo malaking sasakyan na magiging komportable sila, na at the same time medyo maporma na ayun, pwedeng gawing family car. Honestly, pinaglalagyan ko nga siya ng ng mga itlog coming from dun sa farm. So siguro tinadhana talaga mag CR-V Gen 1 this time. Ang matitip ko sa mga gustong mag-build ng Gen 1 na CR-V is, alamin nyo muna yung concept, kung ano yung gusto ninyo. Kung, like any other builds, isipin nyo kung gusto nyo mag-JDM, or catalog, yung mga tinatawag nilang catalog build, or kung gusto nyo ng performance, ganun, definitely, yung engine yung gagalawin nyo. Kung gusto nyo racing, but yeah, meron akong mga nakikita na nire-racing na CR-V at the moment with decent time slip. So, maganda. Pero as of the moment kasi, masaya na muna ako sa current build niya. Yun lang matitip ko. Alamin nila yung concept nila. Then, ayun, harapin nila kung magkano yung gastos. Well, aside from Clean Tricks Deep Cleaning, meron din kami HJMS Poultry Farm, chicken layer. So we produce eggs naman para sa market. And yung other business is Your Social PH. We cater for UK and Dubai customers, content creation service, video edits, graphic design, social media management, vlog content creation and everything. And hopefully, this year, mag-start naman yung piggery. Papasalamat lang ako dun sa mga friends na, na ever supportive kung yung pero when it comes to business talaga, yung wife ko, talaga sinusuportahan niya ako kung ano yung trip ko, kung ano yung gusto kong mangyari. Nasa likod ko lang siya. And also, my parents for trusting me sa management na nung farm. So, yan. I'll try my best to not let everybody down. Like and follow with the flow. Yo!